Hey there, it's Amelia. In this video, I'll explain how to change a setting in Google Chrome to always get your tabs back from your previous session. Whether you close your whole browser window or if you shut down your computer, the next time you open Google Chrome, if all your tabs have disappeared, there's a quick and easy setting to make sure you get all your open tabs back each time you reopen your browser. So in Google Chrome, on the upper right, you want to click on the ellipsis or these three vertical dots. Then select Settings, and on the left, click on Startup. In the On Startup options, you want to make sure Continue where you left off is selected versus Open the new tab page. If there is a specific web page or set of pages you want to open each time, you can select Open a specific page or set of pages as an alternative, and then click Add a new page or use current pages to set up the specific pages that you want to see each time. Personally, I like to continue where I left off with my tabs, so I keep the Continue where you left off selected, and that's it. Then just close this tab and you're all set. Now let's test it out and make sure it works. So I'll go ahead and click the X here to close my browser, including all of these tabs. Next, I'll go ahead and relaunch Google Chrome. And momentarily, you could see that all my previously opened tabs have reopened. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and smash the like button and don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.